Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss jump statement in Python. The two jump statement break and continue. Break statement is used to terminate the loop, which means it cannot force the loop for the next iteration. Unlike break statement, the continue statement forces the next iteration of the loop to take place, skipping any code in between, which means skip the codes below the continue. Just I am going to take a simple example to demonstrate the break statement and then continue statement. Right here for I in range and pass the start value as a 1 and the stop value as 11 and print here, print the value of I. This code simply or this loop simply print the value from 1 to 10. Just run this program. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now I am going to use the break statement. Just write here condition if I equals to 5, then break the loop, or just write the break keyword here. So from the starting, just save this program and run this code. Okay, 1 2 3 4. How? Just understand the program. First of all, one value assigned into the I variable and start value is assigned into the I variable, and check the condition become false, control come and print the value of I is a 1. In the next or second time, the value of I is 2. Now the value of I is 2, check the condition is false, so control come here and print the value of I as a 2. Just write here 1 and 2. Okay, third time the value of I is 3, check the condition is false, so print the value of I as a 3. So this is 3. Now at fourth time the value of I is 4, so the print function print the value of I as a 4. Okay, at the fifth time the value of I is 5, check the condition is true. Now the break statement will be executed and terminate the loop. So this program simply print the value from 1 to 4, and after that, after value after 4 it doesn't print the value because of the break statement, because the break statement cannot force the next iteration of the loop. Okay, now I am going to use the continue statement. Just write here the continue. Okay, explain with simple example. Just the one value assigned into the I variable. Just look here, one value. Okay, check the condition is false, so print the value of I as a 1. Okay, next time the value of I is 2, just value of I is 2, check the condition is false, so print the value of I as a 2. Third time the value of I is 3, so check the condition is false, so print the value of I as a 3 here. Now fourth time the value of I is 4, check the condition is false, so print the value of I as a 4 here. Now fifth time the value of I is 5, so check the condition is true, so continue statement will be executed. It skip the rest of the code, just like whatever code you write below the continue or below the if here, so it will skip, which means it skip the 5 value. Now force this loop to continue. for the iteration. So 6 time assign the value of I as a 6, and now print the value of I as a 6. Okay, 7 time the value of I assign as a 7. Print statement, check the condition. Condition is false, so print the value of I as a 7. 8th value assigned into the I variable. Check the condition. Condition false. Print the value of I as a 8. Now assign the 9 value into the I variable. Print statement, print the value of I as a 9. 10th assign into the I variable, and the print, check the condition. Condition is false, so print the value of I as a 10. Now the loop will be terminated because the range is from 1 to 10. Okay, I think it is clear for you. Just delete this code and run the program here. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and then skip the 5 6 7 8 9 10. I think you will understand the difference between break and continue statement. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.